Hey, what's up guys, Steven here. Welcome back to another video, and today we're unboxing one of the hottest e-bikes of 2020. And yes, we're unboxing it here in my home because it's raining outside for the last days, but I'm already so hyped about this e-bike because Fiido makes some amazing e-bikes. If you have seen my video about the D4S, you've seen it's already a great bike, but the D11 looks much better. It's around $1,000, you can find a link down below in the description, and also there's a chance to win an e-bike, so make sure to check out the links down below. And the Fiido D11 sounds maybe a bit expensive with around about $1,000, but really trust me guys, for this money you won't find a better e-bike with those features. So I would say, let's get started, let's unbox it here, and let's hope everything is alright. So guys, as you can see, the e-bike here comes in a few parts, everything really well packed, so Fiido always ships in very high quality boxes, so you don't need to worry that when you order from China that there is something broken. So far I really had no issues. I already got two bikes from Fiido and they were in perfect condition. Wow guys, so this is a really massive seat. It looks way bigger than on the D4S, so this looks like really high quality. Now guys, the next thing we have here in the box is the power supply with an EU plug, so you don't need any adapter. There's also an adapter for the UK inside, so it depends from where you buy from, they will ship with the right adapters. That is looking really good. Now guys, the next thing inside of the box are the pedals, which we have right over here. So you can remove the pedals, they're universal threads as you can see, so you can even exchange for aftermarket pedals from Amazon. And yeah, they look the same like on the D4S, and actually I really like them. So the quality is kind of good and they fit perfectly nice. Here make sure that you put them in correctly, right, left, all right. And the rest of the package is pretty much the bike itself. And we now have to lift that foam up and take it out. Also here on the other side, that's actually kind of easy, just make sure nothing gets stuck in the wheels. There's also a little bit of foam left, and now we can easily lift out the bike. Alrighty guys, so this is how the e-bike looks outside of the box. Now it's folded, and this is also kind of the size when you fold it together. So it's really, really compact. Now what are we doing right now? We're gonna remove the cable ties right over here. And yeah, then we're going to put in the seat and build everything up. So guys, now we're going to unfold the bike, and there we go, and tuck, it's unfolded as you can see, and then you just lock it on the other side, and yeah, it's already really stable. And now we have to get in the seat, the pedals, check the screws and also check the chain, and then we're actually ready to go. Alright, so now it's time to get the seat in, and here the maximum insert and the minimum insert range. So in between that you can vary. So all you have to do is just open here the lock for the seat and then slide in here the seat, and there you go. And as you can see, that's super smooth and stable. Don't go over the max insert, otherwise as you can see it comes out here at the bottom and then you will maybe scrape. So make sure you check the mark that it is not showing out, and yeah, that's how you do it. Super easy. Now guys, I really like the solution for the rear light, as you can see. So you just turn this, you slide it out, and when you slide it in, you just tuck, plug it in. And as you can see, it comes here with an extension cable, goes into the frame. So the cables are very well hidden on this model, and the rear light looks really amazing. On the D4S you had to clamp something, but here it's integrated in the seat, so this looks really gorgeous. Here with a button to turn it on, so that's a really cool design. Oh my god, it looks amazing, I love it. Now guys, unfolding the handlebar is actually super easy. You just make sure that you hold the wheel with your feet, and there you go, flip it over, flip the lever down, and then you just flip the lever up, and as you can see it's fixed, so really cool. Now we have to adjust the brakes and the display. We now have to adjust the brakes, and there are Allen keys included, so all you have to do is just make sure you unscrew the screws. So we have one right over here for the light button and the honk, and make sure you place them in a comfortable position, and yeah, adjust the brakes to your needs. So guys, I now found a comfortable position for the brakes, for the shift and everything, so everything here is in place. I had to move it a little bit in here on the handlebar, otherwise it would conflict with the brake, but let's see if I can adjust this to some position I like and where it fits. So this is the only thing I've noticed so far that's a bit weird. The rest of the bike is looking super amazing. So guys, before we can go for a ride, we have to put in the pedals, and yeah, this is for the left side. So we pick that one for the right side and try to screw it in. So let's see which thread it is, if it's a regular one or not. So yeah guys, it's a regular thread. You just use the wrench here to screw it in, and that is really smooth. So the pedals are looking fine. And yeah, rotates, that is looking fine. Now what's really amazing about this bike is that the battery is integrated in the seat, so you don't need to take the whole bike to your flat to charge it like here right now. You just get out the seat and then you can recharge it. The only bad thing, someone could in theory just steal your seat and then you lose the battery and everything, which would be really bad. But other than that, it's a really great design and I absolutely love it. So let's turn it on for the first time, and there we go. So you have the same display like on the Fiido D11. You can switch here between the modes 1, 2, 3. And yeah, we have a light that is working perfectly nice. The light here on the back is also working, as you can see. So yeah, the battery is right now full. We have a trip counter also right over here. Then we have this honk. And yeah, right over here we have the throttle, as you can see, so it already starts to drive. Then here we have the shifter to adjust the gears. We have here both brakes that are working fine. They just need some minor adjustments on both sides to be a little bit more stiff for my taste. Yeah, that is looking really good right now. We have disc brakes on the front and rear. Both, as you can see, non-hydraulic, but still that's really fine on an e-bike for that price. And yeah, other than that, it is looking really good. And I would say, let's go outside and let's take it for a quick ride. Now guys, the absolutely coolest thing is that this e-bike fits in almost every car. So let's quickly take it out. All right, there we go. First gear, and it starts to accelerate after like a little bit less than 1 second. Now with one hand it doesn't feel very stable, but with two hands no problem at all. Maximum speed, that's 25 kilometers per hour, which is pretty okay and legal in most of the countries. You can also unlock the e-bike, and then yeah, it depends on your weight, it goes around 35 like the Fiido D11, which is yeah, really fast. Now the wheels, they feel pretty good. Whoa. And yeah, the brakes are also working nice. But yeah, there's just one thing I would like to adjust, because I'm really tall. I can adjust the seat, but I would like to adjust the height of the handlebar. So I cannot see anything here. Here's a screw, but I don't think that you can actually slide it out. So this would be my only concern about this bike, but so far it looks really nice. Now the full review will come very soon. Stay tuned and let me know what questions you have down below in the comments. Alrighty guys, so that was my quick unboxing video of the Fiido D11. I will now try some things out, like the range, like how it feels to drive, and bring you a full review very soon. Sorry that this unboxing was a bit rushed, but I didn't have enough time. But anyhow, if you have any questions, write them down below in the comments, and yeah, I will try to reply as soon as possible. And there are too many dogs here, I'm scared. Alright guys, big thanks for watching. As always, I'm Steven from Tech Magnet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a nice day and bye.